Hey guys, it's your fave loctician again, Casey. I'm here with a new hairstyle tutorial. As you can see, I look amazing, don't I? Don't I? Anyway, this hairstyle is something that I rocked some time back and a number of people liked it, and I got a few requests to do a tutorial on how I came up with the hairstyle. So I'm going to show you. Also, if you do realize I'm wearing this amazing earrings over here, I love them. I'm going to put a link in my description box as to what page I bought them. I got them at just 400 bob. I mean, imagine all this glam for 400. Anyway, make sure you follow the page and buy stuff, look glammed up, and that's all. Yeah, so anyway, let me show you guys how to do the hairstyle. Please make sure you do it with me. Take pictures. Yeah, bye. We start by holding the hair up into an upper hold. If you don't know what that is, I have a video on ways to tie your hair. Okay, let's do that real quick. I'm going to leave some down at the front and you'll see why later. Okay, now that we have all the hair up, I'm going to part some aside and do a braid, which we'll come and use later. Yeah, so we make a braid using this hair and then just keep it aside before we do a bun. So here we are, we have a braid. We're going to put it aside and do a bun.
That's good.
So I had a lot of tucking to do, but so now we have a bun, we have some hair on the side, and this braid. So what we're going to do is just wrap this braid around, you know, to create the whole crown-ish look. One thing I love about dreadlocks is the ability to tuck in hair. My God, it's perfect. When hair pops out, just tuck and it will hold. So yeah, we basically have the bun over there. And if you wanted, you could actually leave this hair hanging here just like this and, you know, make it a hairstyle. But I like to form a braid here just so that it can sort of match the braid that's up here and, you know, make the hairstyle look a bit more interesting. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick braid over here. For this bottom part, I like to secure it with these black tiny hair bands just so that the hair can hold because it can't be braided anymore. So yeah, these hair bands should help. There we go. Can't even notice them-ish. All right, so the hairstyle is finished. I feel pretty good about it. That's it, you see. There's the bun and there's the braid. Without knowing how this is done, you think it's a bit complicated, but you see it's pretty simple. It's just all about braiding and putting the hair up into a bun. Yeah. So yeah, you know, for me, my look wouldn't be complete without big earrings, and I got this amazing new earrings. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Yeah, and so I'm going to put them on just to make the look perfect. Here we go. Just look at that, honestly. Honestly. Feel like I can do a whole photo shoot right now. But anyway, yeah, so the look is complete. Is okay. Yeah, so there we go. It's all perfect. I think the look is complete. I love it. I feel like an extreme boss. Like, I mean, don't play with me. So yeah, that's just how to do the hairstyle. Alrighty, kama kawaida, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you leave me comments down below, share the video, like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Kama kawaida, do not forget, locs rock.